Hi, my name is Lynn, and I love Bell Tower. It's beautiful, and when I'm coming here from Cleveland, so you can imagine what a lovely place this is to shop and dine and support the Cancer Society.
Hi, my name is Lise Laviolette, and I have been coming to Bell Tower, well, since it's opened almost, 31 years ago. And this fashion show is an annual favorite of mine, and I try to always get a group together so we can enjoy the fashions and the camaraderie.
Hi, my name is Susan Granger, and I've been coming to the Bell Tower since I moved here 12 years ago. I love it. They're great stores, and I'm excited to be at this fashion show because it's a great cause, and I hope everybody enjoys it.
Hi, my name is Gail Rapetto, and this is my friend Luana Bloom, and we're here at the beautiful Bell Tower shops at Saks Fifth Avenue for the Sip and Style, and we're here to support this great cause and have a good time with friends.
Shut him down. Y'all thought we killed it with the last one. Yow! Remix! Casey. DB, Diaz Brothers, Flow Rider, Poor Boy Pitbull, DJ Laz.
I wanna see you move, shake, shake, now drop. What your mama say? Move, shake, shake, now drop. What your daddy said? Move, shake, shake, now drop. What your sister say? Move, shake, shake, now drop. Drop. Hey, I wanna see you move, you shake, you drop, you shorty, the mama got the body, Slim waist, the apple bottom, she got they look good all in my face. I like when they lose, but you don't get abused. DJ Laz got them on pimp juice, she bring that back, so I lick her with the stacks like I think I give her cash. What she do with her back, me in my bank, shorty ride. Damn right, I'm about to lose my mind. So stacked, know how to make that body wine. Grind, I wanna press rewind, now give it to me one time, give it to me two times. Flow bird, I must say I like when them freaks get loosey low to the flow in them jeans. Hey baby, take over these baby B when I'm in the club with DJ LAZ. I wanna see you move, shake, shake, now drop.